Day 65 done. Dude, we're kind of getting up in the numbers now. Today was the craziest tug of war battle I've ever had with coding. Still not done yet. Going to have to do this on the train back because just not working, not fixing itself. This is like the culmination of 2 days of planning, and finally today was implementation day, and it's still not done. But what are you gonna do? I have to take this train. It's like the last one. Otherwise, honestly, may have pulled an all-nighter. Today would have been a good day for that, but to get into the problem, I realized that there's a lack of there's a disconnect of information whenever I make a trade or an agent makes a trade, and I'm not tracking it properly. So I need something that, there's basically just like a tracking table that has like pending orders, and then there's I need a function that can just like actively pull for pending ones. Once an order is like filled or canceled or whatever, then it's not going to change forever. But some of them are like pending, some of them are extended hours, and so they're in this like weird, I don't know, quasi state, whatever. So it needs to be constantly checked, and I need to track whether or not it's human or agents, because that's part of the company. You got to build like a full audit log of trades. Okay, so anyways, I'm thinking, okay, I need to have some type of system that's like constantly checking. And majority of my research for the last like 2 days has been, I probably need to build some type of like always on virtual machine, like some super lightweight thing. And then I find out about Supabase, and they have cron job functions which allow you to do network requests and like authorization and all this stuff, which is like perfect. So I can send out a pending order and then have it basically like pull itself all in Supabase, all using cron jobs, and it runs like every minute. So any order that's in this like weird quasi state, this like script will check this big ass table. It'll say, 5 of 1,000 are in this pending state. Let me check these 5. And it can send like asynchronous web requests, which is sick. And it's like super lightweight. Like, I mean, a computer from the 70s could run something like this. And yeah, it can just run every minute, super lightweight. But I had no idea about this being a solution for the last 2 days. So I'm really, really glad that I actually found it. Anyways, it's not working at all. I explained all this. This is like the ideal state. It does not work. And I've been going back and forth trying to fix this. I think it's possibly because it's a bit too complex for a